1. Selfie obsession. Does she post more photos of herself than she spent time talking with you? 2. Public versus private. Does she insist on showing your relationship online, even if you ask privacy? 3. Content first. Love second. Does she care more about recording moments than actually living them with you? 4. Money length excuses. Does she see she needs money to upgrade her phone, camera, or Wi-Fi for you to stay connected? 5. Constant live streaming. Is she always live on Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, even during your calls? 6. Seeking validation. Does she measure her worth and your relationship by likes, shares, or subscribers? 7. Drama farming. Does she create fights just to have content or sympathy from her followers? 8. Comparisons. Does she compare you to other foreigners she sees online? 9. Attention split. Does she chat with multiple foreign friends under the excuse of being friends or fans? 10. Secret motive. Does your relationship feel like love, or does it feel like a business transaction wrapped in romance? If you select three or more, run. Don't walk or suffer the consequences.